Hey, what's up guys, it's Kohli here, and in this video we will be talking about some of the tips and tricks of this brand new iPhone XR. So wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Before that, hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get straight into the video. So the first feature that I'm going to tell you is reachability. Now what is reachability? So let me show you the phone, and as you all know that iPhone XR has a 10R has a 6.1 inch display. So it's a big display, as you all know, and some people have small hands, so it will be difficult for some people to access the top corners of the screen. So what you all can do, as it is not in my case, actually I have a big hand, so but many people are facing this issue that how to access the whole application with one hand only. So again, you just have to swipe down and you can access whole application very easily, and irrespective of that you have a small hand, you can access the whole application. I'll do it again, as you can see. So this was the first feature, reachability, for this iPhone XR. So the next setting that I'm going to tell you, or the next feature that I'm going to tell you, is customize control center. Most of the people face problem that they are not able to bring all the quick options, all the quick settings to the one hand mode or to the control center. As you can see, the control center. So if I'll tell you that how to add more options to it. So you just have to go to settings and you just have to go to control center. As you can see, again I'll tell you, settings, and you just have to go to control center, and there you can see an option of customize controls. Now you have to click that option, and as you can see, I have added all these options. And if I want to add one more option like magnifier, you just have to click this plus button. As you can see, this plus button, and it is added. Now I'll show you that it is added or not. Like you can see, magnifier option is available here. So it's very easy, and if you want to remove any option, you can just remove it by clicking this minus subtract button, and you can remove this option. So this was the feature of customize control center. So let's go on to the next feature. So the next feature that we are going to talk about is customize camera settings. So what is customize camera setting? Many people are confused that how to customize camera settings and how to apply the best setting they are having in their phone. So you just have to go to settings. It's very simple, and this is the homepage of settings. Now you just have to type camera here, and so here you can see the camera option, as you can see, and you have to click on this, and you can select every optimum setting that you want. You can apply grid on your camera. As you can see, if I will apply grid, then it will be showing a grid layout. As you can see, you can apply grid on your camera, or there are many settings. You can remove it, and video quality, you can record video on. So in my phone, in iPhone XR, you can record video at 4K at 60 FPS maximum setting, and you can also change more settings like record slow-mo. As you can see, I can record slow-mo at 1080p HD at 240 FPS. So all the settings you can customize here. It's you can switch on smart HDR, or you can switch off. So every setting you can access here about camera, and you can customize your camera settings. So this was all for this feature. So let's go on to the next feature. So the next feature we will be talking about is customize notifications. So what is this feature? Now many people don't want, actually every single person don't want unwanted notifications. As you can see, my notification center has limited notifications, and everyone wants that their notification center has limited notifications which are important. So how to do that? How to stop these unwanted notifications? You just have to click on settings. You just have to go to the notifications, and here you will see all the applications that you are having on your iPhone, and you can click on particular app that you want to close. For the notifications, you just have to click, and you can close this option of allow notification, and if you will close this option, you can easily stop notification of that particular app. So this was all for this feature, and also you can choose the mode that how to display your notification. So this was all to customize notifications. So this was all for this feature. So let's go into the last trick or feature. So the next feature is kind of interesting. The name of that feature is speak screen. Now what it can do, your screen will start reading for you. Your screen will start reading reading articles for you. Now it will become more convenient for you all, as there are many articles that you do not want to read but you want to hear. So you can do easily by just swiping down with two fingers like this.
Global NAV open menu, Apple iPhone XR open menu by Global NAV.
As you can see, easily your screen started speaking and started reading all the article available on your browser on the web page. So this is a very convenient feature, and it will help you to listen all the articles that you wanted to read, that you do not wanted to read but wanted to hear. So how you can do that? You just have to go to settings. You just have to type speak screen here, speak screen, as I'm writing speak screen, as you can see here. And after coming here, you can see that I have enabled the option of speak screen. You have to enable this option, and easily you can just swipe down. So this was the last and some interesting features that I have told you. So this was all for this video and tips and tricks for iPhone XR. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more updates. So thank you guys, Manit Kohli here and signing out.